Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Check My Trip app. In order to do so, here we are at checkmytrip.com. And what is Check My Trip all about? Well, it's all your travel info in one place. Track flights, organize trips, and access all your travel information, even offline. Everything you need for a seamless journey all in one place. And it's also available on the App Store and on Google Play. So whatever device you prefer, you can get Check My Trip there. If you do a lot of traveling, this might be the app for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord and our top AI promotions, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy app that gets to know you and your business to provide tailored insights with its amazing AI employees. You get 60% off to start. Check that out. Highly recommended. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.